Welcome everyone back to Vested Interest. Hey, it's Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, actually about 5 o'clock. I did get to mow the front yard. It cleared up a little bit, so I figured I'd bring one more video. I know I hadn't put out a stocks to buy or stocks to watch in May video, so I thought I'd throw one together here quickly. I'm going to set this to premiere, so you'll be watching this on Monday morning, May the 2nd. And let's look at the, I'm seeing, what I do is I took a look at where we're at in the current market as far as with higher rates, plus also where there are significant pullbacks where I'm seeing the most value. And the two sectors that I'm really seeing the most value in right now are REITs and the financial sector. So I pulled 3 out of my REITs and 3 out of the financial sector, and we're going to look at them in this video. Let's jump right into it. So these will be the 6 that I'm watching for in the month of May, starting with Bank of America. I've actually been adding to this one towards mid to the end of last month as well. And as you can see, Bank of America, ticker BAC, is in the financial sector. And I pulled up a 5-day chart. You can actually see it's been kind of went back up here probably early in the week, but then right back down and even lower low. So this is one that I'd like to continue to add to. 52-week range, 35.54 for the low, so right at that low. $50.11 for the high. Market cap of $287 billion. Beta of 1.39, so it is more volatile than the overall market. PE ratio real low, 9.99. Bank of America has also issued some stock buyback repurchase plan, so they'll be buying back their own share. It does have a forward dividend of 0.84, so 84 cents for the year. Divide that by 4, I'll tell you what you get every quarter, and a current dividend yield of 2.35%. 1-year estimated target date of 49.16. So Bank of America out of the financial sector, first one I'm looking at for the month of May. Next up, again in the financial sector, Huntington Bank shares, ticker HBAN, was $13.15, as of Friday. So we'll see what it opens up at Monday morning. It's down 3.17%. Again, pulled up 5-day chart here. You can see started out the week, went up a little bit, and then it came right back down towards the end of the week. The 52-week range, $13.01 is the low, so right at that low. High of $17.79. Has a market cap of 18.92, so small cap here. Beta of 1.2, a little more volatile than the overall market. PE ratio of 14.61. On banks, you should really look a little further, go into the financials and look what their price to book is. That's what you should look at for banks. The forward dividend is 62 cents on the year. Divide that by 4. They pay out quarterly, and they have a high dividend yield, 4.71%. That's part of the reason. Again, we talked about inflation whenever I opened the video up. That's part of the reason we want to try to beat inflation. 4.7 isn't quite beating it, but it's keeping us at least in line, or close as we can to in line with it. A 1-year estimated target rate for $16.97. Next, that's the second one I'm looking at, Huntington Bank shares. Next one we're going to look at, staying in the financial sector. Again, we're going to bring you 3 out of the financial sector and 3 out of REITs. So the REITs will come up next. This will be our last one out of the financial sector. U.S. Bank Corp, ticker USB, $48.56. We'll see what it opens up in on Monday morning. 2.96% down. Again, 5-day chart. This one was almost pretty much just down over the last week. So again, we'll hopefully open down here. We'll look to jump in and add some shares down here at these lows. 52-week range, low of $48.42. It's at $48.56, real close to the 52-week low. High of $63.57. Market cap of 72, so close to a mid cap. Beta of 1.01, so right in line with volatility of the overall market. PE ratio 9.59. Forward dividend yield of $1.84 per year. Divide that by 4. That'll tell you what it is. 3.79% dividend yield. So not the highest, but not down in the 1s or 2s either. 1-year estimated target of 61.17. Trying to go through these a little quicker now. STOR Capital. We're into our REITs, guys. So STOR Capital, ticker STOR. Close of business 28.45. We'll see what it opens up on Monday. Is down 5%. So again, anytime I see stocks down 5%, they're ones that I like to take a look at. This one, 52-week range, $28.32. So again, right at its low. High of 37.13. There's its 5-day chart. As you can see, started out low, recovered a little bit, recovered here towards, must have been Wednesday or Thursday, but then on Friday, new all-time lows. All right. Beta of 1.25. a little more volatile than the overall market. Market cap of 7.9, so small cap here. Forward dividend $1.54 for the year, and this one is a nice 5.42% dividend yield. So getting closer to what the current inflation rate is. Currently we have high inflation, but typically inflation runs between 2 to 3%. So if you were getting a 5.42% return over a long term, you're going to be beating inflation. 1 year target estimate of $34.33. Second of our REITs, we're looking at a STAG Industrial, ticker STAG, $37.32 closed business. This one was down 7%. This one hadn't been below my my initial investment for quite some time, and then this Friday was the first time it dipped back down with a 7% down day. So there's you see it over the 5 days. 52-week range, $34.43, right at its lows, and a high of $48.27. Market cap of 6.7, another small cap. PE ratio of 32.45, dividend forward dividend of $1.46 for the year, and 3.91% dividend yield. 1 year target estimate of $47.70. Last up, we've got Omega Healthcare Investors. This is going to be our highest dividend yield, guys. Again, close of business $25.48 on Friday. We'll see what it opens up on Monday, but down 3. So you'll see all the REITs were down. All the financial sector was down. A few other areas were down as well, but these are two that I thought presented the best value as well as yield, return on capital, guys. 52-week range, a low of $25.41, right at its low, a high of $39. Market cap of 6.23, another small cap. Beta 0.92, less volatile than the overall market. I like that. PE ratio of 14.54. Forward dividend of $2.68 for the year. Divide that by 4. It's paid out quarterly, and it has even with our high inflation now at being around 8 to 9, depending on which metrics you're looking at. Some metrics even show it higher than that. But anyways, 10.52% return, guys. That smashes typical inflation any day of the week. And if you average this out, I think we're running around the 4, 5, maybe 5.5 return with all these added together. But I'd have to do the math on it, guys. These are the 6 that I'm looking at for the month of May. Again, wanted to get this out. You're going to see this on Monday morning. So look for this video. I will be doing a stock pick of the day, so you'll get something this evening. So don't forget that hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. Well, let's get to the next. Let's jump over to the next one. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit the thumbs up, ring the notifications bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. This is an old picture, as you can see. This is what it looked like whenever it was wintertime. I need to update this slide. So I'll throw in an updated shot. Maybe I'll stay up tomorrow morning and get a shot in. But anyways, guys, like I said, always appreciate it. Drop me comments down below. Webull link down below if you guys like to use it. I really don't even like to promote that all that much, but it's down there, guys, if you want to use it. If you don't have a Webull account, go ahead and set one up. Get some free stocks. I'll get some stocks. It's a way you can help the channel. I would appreciate it. You don't have to use a link but if you're not investing and you need one, I like Webull. It presents a pretty nice platform, easy to use, user friendly. So check it out. This is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.